Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another fun video. We're gonna be doing the rear of the truck. Over the past few weeks, we've been working on the front of the truck, headlights, the bumper, all that stuff, making it look good. Now we're gonna take care of a few details on the back. So what I'm gonna be doing is we are gonna be working on our brake lights. I've got a few things right here. I got some LED reverse lights, some brake lights. And we are going to be sort of tinting, smoking our brake lights. I think that'll make them look real good. So anyways, I've got right here everything I'm going to need. I've got my spare set of tail lights that I'm going to be working on, and some sandpaper, some VHT paint, Nite-shades, and some clear, and some wax to finish it all off. This should be pretty easy and fun. So anyways, let's get to it. With a pretty dull but really smooth tail light, and what we're trying to do is get rid of all of this oxidation on it. So yeah, we're trying to get rid of all of this and give the paint something to hold on to. So anyways, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna clean this light with some rubbing alcohol to get all the grease and everything off of it. And I'm gonna spray a coat of paint on it. And while that's drying, we're gonna start sanding this other one. So yeah, let's get to doing that. Okay, so I almost messed up. I almost forgot to mask the reverse lens on the housing, but luckily I cut it before I started throwing any paint on it. So anyways, if you wanna leave your reverse lens clear, don't forget to mask it off. And it's actually pretty easy with these trucks. I'll show you why. So as you can see, you actually have a whole line going around the clear lens, which makes it really easy to mask. Okay, now that we got some tape on it and that it's cleaned off again, it is ready to actually throw some paint on it. So let's do that. Okay, so we already got our first coat laid out, and it looks great. It's already looking pretty nice and smoked and dark. We're gonna let this dry for a few minutes while we sand the other light. And once it's dry, we'll see if I want to spray another coat on it or leave it like this. Which, like I said, it already looks really good. It's nice and smoked, but I think I might need one more. But anyways, we're gonna let this dry. Like I said, I'm gonna sand the other one. Okay guys, so check out that difference after just one coat. It's already pretty dark and it looks great. I think I'm still gonna do one more coat, really light, just to get a little bit more of a dark look to it. And after that, we'll move on to the clear. Also, before I forget, you guys don't have to smoke them. This process also works if you just want to restore your tail lights. If you just want to bring them back and make them look brand new again, or better than new. All you gotta do is just skip the smoke, and you don't even have to clear coat it. All you gotta do is wax it, just wet sand it and wax it. But I really do recommend that you guys at least clear it. It'll really help it. It'll help it prolong its life. So yeah, anyways, let's get back to this. Okay guys, so we're getting pretty close. We got all of our coats of black smoke laid out. Now I'm gonna start spraying some clear, and it's really gonna start looking really good from now on. I mean, it already looks really good, but let me show you the progress so far. So as you can see, they're pretty dark, but you still got that red behind it, which I love. That's exactly what I wanted. Now I took the tape off, and we're gonna spray clear, and see how that turns out. I'll probably do a few coats of clear, just so we can get a lot of shine out of it. can actually tell the difference now with the clear on the clear part of the lens. It's starting to look really nice, and actually it's actually turning out way better than I thought it was gonna look. Wow. I'm really digging this. I can't wait to have it finished. Okay guys, so last time we finished up all our coats. It looks great, but it definitely needs some wet sanding. So I'm gonna show you what the finished product was from all the coats. Alright, so this is basically how they turned out, and I think it looks great. It's just what I wanted. Like I said, a little smoke, but you can still see that red. Our clear lens is really nice and clear. Looks way better than before. Basically before, it looked way worse than that. And now it's nice and clear. It almost looks new. But anyways, as you can see, yeah, you can see it right there. All this kind of like sort of like orange peel cracking that it looks like it has, and we're gonna make them real nice and shiny with the wax. But yeah, let's get to wet sanding these things. Okay, so this is basically all you need to wet sand. Water to get it wet, and then I got 2,000 and 3,000 grit sandpaper. We're gonna start with the 2,000 and finish it up with the 3,000 to try and get the best results possible. I'm gonna throw you guys on the time lapse, and we'll get this done. Okay, so we're done with our first go with the wet sand with the 2,000 grit. So yeah, this is basically what you want to end up with. Just really hazy, and you want to get rid of all of that orange peel. And it's nice and smooth now. So now what we're gonna do is gonna move on to that 3,000 grit and get rid of all those fine scratches that were left by the 2,000 grit. So yeah, let's do that. Okay guys, so we're all done with the wet sanding, and it's looking really good right now. All we have left to do is to hit it with some compound and wax, and we'll be all done. But I mean, it's already looking great. And I mean, like I said, you don't have to smoke it. You can use the same process that I did, minus the smoke, and it'll turn out great. It'll bring your tail lights, make them real nice and bright again. Or you can spray a few more coats of black and black them out completely. Whatever you want. Do the whole thing. Leave this clear like I did. But yeah, I mean, it's the same process, just whatever you choose to do in the middle. But anyways, let's get to doing the compound, and we'll be pretty much done with this. Okay guys, so we're done, and they turned out amazing. I mean, look at that. That looks great. They basically look brand new. I mean, other than the scratches that it already had, everything else just looks great. It's just, I don't know, they're so much better. I wasn't expecting them to come out this good. Definitely, like I said, they look great. And I mean, it's something super easy you can do at home. It just takes a little bit of time. I sprayed them last night, let them dry overnight, and I spent, I don't know, maybe about an hour and a half right now, just waxing and all that stuff, wet sanding, and they look great. They're definitely gonna look great on the truck, and I mean, I think they're perfect. Let's see. Can't really tell because the sun's shining on the back of them, so it's kind of making them look a little bit lighter than they are. Let's see this other side. So you can see they're, you know, just a little bit darker than what they originally were, but it's just perfect. I love them. I'm gonna get them thrown in the truck, put the LEDs on it, and yeah, we'll see how they look on the truck. Okay, so I got my LEDs in, and I already have a little bit of a problem. I think I'm gonna have to run some either resistors or go find a LED flasher that's gonna fit in the truck, because these ones aren't working right now. Oh, by the way, this is what I went for the brake lights. Some Phillips. These are supposed to be really good light bulbs, so that's why I tried them. And then these are my backup LEDs. They are so anyways, this is what I got, and I got them off of Amazon. I'll leave the link down in the description. These ones are really good and they're working great. They also look really good. Look at that. And the reason why I went with these ones over the ones that I went in the front, that I got for the front, is basically just because I want to try different things, see how these ones work, see what I like best. And like I said, they look great. I'm gonna throw the housing on just to test it out and see how everything looks. Then I'm gonna go and run and grab a LED flasher. Hopefully they'll have one at AutoZone. But yeah, let me throw the housing on so that we can at least see how it looks. Check that out, man. That looks great. Let's see. They're actually looking way darker on this video than what they actually are now. But they look great. Come on. There we go. I mean, like I said, they're coming up a little bit darker on the video than they actually are, but they look great. They look really good. They look really, really good. I really like them. Unfortunately, we weren't able to run our brake lights. I think we are gonna have to try to find an LED flasher. And if that doesn't work, unfortunately, I think we're gonna actually have to go with a resistor. But yeah, these are the ones that I had originally bought. That's what the truck's supposed to take. But like, sometimes LEDs don't work. Then you have to run either LED flashers or resistors. So yeah, no big deal. I'll just have to find some tonight and get them ordered up. And when they come in, we'll just throw them on. But other than that, it looks great. It really does. It's, you know, little details, little things that make it look so much better. And like I said, just little by little, it's getting there. Let me throw on the reverse lights. You're really not gonna be able to see much because it's day outside, and I don't want to wait till tonight to film this because I really want to upload this today. But on the next video, I'll show you how they look during the night. But anyways, let me throw it on reverse anyway so you can see it. Okay, just kidding, guys. You think I wasn't gonna show you? And it's not coming out as bright as it actually is, but it's actually way better than what the other ones were. Like way better. I can actually see now while I'm backing up, and you can see that they're super bright and they look great. I'm actually really happy with them, and I think they might actually be brighter than the switchbacks. I'll turn this on real quick to compare that, but I think they might be brighter. Yep, I think they're definitely brighter. And I'm actually really happy. I can actually see while I'm backing up now. Awesome. So anyways, guys, I think that's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what else you want to see on the channel, and I'll try to make it happen. And again, thanks for watching, and have a good one. We'll see you next time. Oh, by the way, if you haven't seen my video on how to fix the door handles, if they're broken and don't work, go check out my video. I'll leave a link to it. And so far, these things are working great. It's so nice being able to get to where you're going and not have to roll down your window or open your door from the outside. So if you're having that problem, go check out my video. I'll leave a link to it down in the description.